Next up, Too Close to the Sun for Lab Rat and What Comes Up for Handshake. This is another 2-for-1 mission. You need to pick one or the other to get this item back to in order to progress that vendor further. So essentially, what you need to do is find your way to the northeast side of the map, all the way over here, Palong Airfield. Once you've found your way here, head all the way southeast until you reach this little clearing over here. It's about an 800-meter walk from Gulf to the furthest east helipad on Palong Airfield. All the way over here, once you've found your way through the bush at exactly where I am over here in 152-192, you'll find this crashed plane. What you need to do is pick up the package which is waiting over here for you. This orange box is the flight recorder, and with this, you can either retrieve the flight recorder and report back to Handshake, completing the quest for Handshake, or you can retrieve the flight recorder and report back to Lab Rat to finish the quest for her. Either way, it's a long walk back to the closest LZ, and of course, there's no AI anywhere to be found here, so it's just a little bit annoying that it's a walking mission. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.